from the bottom section. And here is a Mona Lisa. Pineapple doing particularly well, even though it's in the shade. And another Goldfinger banana, and its rack of bananas are here. Pineapple again. This is other blue Java banana. It is there. And you can see I've got a rack developing. I don't know if you can quite see yet, but they are starting to look a little bluish, which I believe that's why they're named Blue Java. We've got taro plants, a black fig. This one's High Noon. And if you look here, is its bananas coming. Oops. Plum. Here. It's a Williams banana. I just moved it here, so it's looking a little sad, but hopefully it'll pick up. This is a lemonade or lemon. There's another tropical guava there. This part's quite dry. Another lemon. And that's double Mahoy or double Cavendish, dwarf Cavendish. White Sapote, covered in fruit. Apple. Apricot. I actually had apricots off this one, or tree, but it's doing alright. Citrus orange. There's another citrus here. Behind it is the wampy. I was hoping it might fruit and flower, but nothing as yet. Fig Joa, I'll just pop under here. There's another apple tree, apples. Oops, really. There. That's my rose apple tree, if you can sort of work out where we are now. We're sort of behind it, and that's my driveway over there. So here we have a ice cream bean tree, a little one. Another white sapote. Oh, and I wrapped this yellow dragon fruit around this tree, and I thought I might be able to try and grow it up there. See how it goes. In here I've got a nectarine, and this is the white mulberry, which we planted. Some more taro. Down here is the black sapote. They don't get huge here, they sort of get to about that size. There's the top of my other white sapote. Then I have my tamarillos doing their thing. More tamarillos that way, and that's where that vine is for the vanilla flower too. I don't know if you can see that. There's the other black mulberry. We've got two in the garden. This side we've got a pecan just here. Another banana there. I'm not sure what type that one is. This is our baby cherry of the Rio Grande. So we're going to keep that short so we can actually get the fruit before the birds do. And another Burnham cherry. And that way is another tropical guava, mango, custard apple. This is a Hass avocado. Behind it there is the yellow mangosteen. It's like the size of those leaves. If I put my hand beside it, I'm going to tell. And that's my hand. And I've been trying to plant out these little gardens and put different interesting plants in there as you go through. Here's another Inca bean. And we also have another black sapote there, another coffee tree there. And once again, I've been trying to plant out this as well. This was actually an indoor plant. It seems quite happy out here. It's another indoor plant. It's a dwarf Cavendish. It hasn't grown very much because it's not in the best area. It's right underneath the custard apple tree. And we're up a bit more so you can see the yellow mangosteen a bit better from here, the shape of it. This is my parrotbeak mango. Okay, I think that's about it. So we had 74 people through in the weekend. Probably would have had more if the driveway hadn't put people off, and it did rain. But it was pretty exciting for our first open garden, and got lots of questions about all our different plants. It was quite an enjoyable day. Here is a giant bamboo that is in my driveway. Just to give you an idea of size, let's put my hand on the bamboo. I can't actually get my hand around the bamboo, but that will give you an idea of how big this bamboo is. So it's actually coming through the neighbours onto the shared driveway by my house, and there were some baby ones popping up, but I think I've knocked them over. You can see I've knocked this one over. We don't really want it coming up through onto the driveway. And I knocked that one over as well. And somebody else must have knocked that one, probably one of the other neighbours. But yeah, giant bamboo that everyone was quite shocked to see when they came to the garden to have a look at the edible forest that we have. I'll take some more shots of some other bamboo that we have up the driveway. So this is the other bamboo, which is a lot thinner. So I'll just put my hand on it. And you can see the difference in size between the two bamboos. Still almost as tall. And once again, if it starts putting up babies like this one through here, we pull them off. We don't particularly want them pushing out the retaining wall. That's by the driveway. Yeah. Oh, actually you can see that one. There's a new baby one just there. It's got away on us. The other questions I got with my garden trail was about these guys. These are the elephant leaf plant, which are a bit of a weed up here, but I really like them, so I planted them in my garden. Obviously other people like them too, so asking for plants or where I got them from.